Hello everybody, I am Hiren. So today I am going to share my experience, or I would rather say my journey with Sachin sir. So my first meeting with sir was in 2002, I think, when I passed 5th class and I was moving to 6th class during a summer camp. So at that time, since then, he has been a part of my life. He has been always guiding me throughout the different phases, and during my schooling, and then while entering the college and after college also. What I observed is he has been a great motivator, and he is able to see your qualities, because when you have certain qualities in such raw age, you are not able to identify those qualities. He has told me that you are going to be successful, these are your qualities, and he suggested me that you should not do these things and you should do these things. I try to adapt those things, and if I start talking about those things, I am going to talk for hours. In terms of observing you, he is at different level. He has the quality, he has the ability to see your qualities that even you are not aware of, and he is very positive. When you try to talk or discuss something, you will see that he will make you feel positive about any situation. He will always motivate you to push your limits and go beyond whatever you have currently. So I completed engineering in 2013 from SGS ITS, and then from there I was selected via campus, and I was working in Capgemini India as a software developer. And after 3 years working there, I switched to TCS, and there I worked for 1.5 years, and then I got the opportunity to work from Australia. So there I spent 4 years. I never got a chance to thank sir like this. So today I would like to take this opportunity to thank him for whatever I am today. It would not have been possible without him, without his guidance and blessings.